Hello guys, in the video about REST API filtering, we have method getFilterBy in base repository. This method calls getSequalizeWhereClause function and returns its result. This call is wrapped in try-catch, so if an error is thrown, it gets rethrown as an API error, and the message of the original error is assigned to the message of the API error. We actually cheated here and casted error into the type any. So let's go ahead and remove the casting to any, and if we hover over error, the TypeScript is actually types it as unknown. Therefore, we cannot call message property on the error. The reason for error to be type of unknown is that in JavaScript, anything can be thrown as an error. If we put it in MDN words, the throw keyword can be followed by any kind of expression. So TypeScript is warning us that property message may not be on the error. Since most of the errors in function getSequalizeWhereClause we threw ourselves as a part of flow control, we should be relatively safe here to assume the error will have message property. However, we cannot be quite sure about the parse method or function of the like library. So it's better to be on the safe side and fix the issue. So let's go to utils functions and create getErrorMessage function. We export function getErrorMessage and we pass error as unknown, and we will return string out of it. We first check if error is an instance of error, and then we return error message property on it. Then we check if error is actually an object and has a message property. Oddly enough, in JavaScript, a null also is error, so we have to check for error not to be null right here. So if error is an object and has message property, we'll cast the value of the message property into string and return it. Next, we're going to check if type of error is string. If so, we will return just error. And finally, if all the checks fail, we will return an error occurred generic message. Now let's head back to base repository and use getErrorMessage function. So right here, we'll put getErrorMessage and we'll pass error. Now the TypeScript is happy and we are as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.